I'm Jeff. I hate bad technology that wastes everyone's time. But the equation editor in Microsoft Word is so awful, it's kind of funny. Check it out. I just want to type this fraction here. If I just type the letters and numbers of the fraction, it won't give me the look that I want. To get that mathematical look, first I need to go to Insert, Equation. This is kind of dumb already. I just want a fraction, and I have to pretend I want an equation. At least now there's a fraction button. And when I click that, I just get a menu of fraction options. I will take the stacked fraction. I have to left arrow and then up arrow to get to the numerator so I can type x squared plus 5. Okay, that's not right. I need to make an exponent. So I go to this button and choose this option. And that still didn't quite work the way I wanted. Left arrow, left arrow, left arrow, backspace, right arrow, X, right arrow, 2. And now the rest is pretty simple, but I needed to press the right arrow again to get out of the exponent. Okay. Then that's easy. Then a down arrow. Then I'll create the x squared by going here, and again I have to left arrow to get to where I'm going. Twice left arrow, then x, right arrow, 2, right arrow, plus 4x plus 4, right arrow, and I'm done. That method is very slow and kinda weird. Well, I could use keyboard shortcuts instead. This method is a little faster and even more weird. I press Alt equals to tell Microsoft I'm going to type an equation. It's not an equation. X, Shift 6, 2. This turns into x squared when I press the plus key. 5x plus 6, and wait, I'm going to need parentheses around this to make it the numerator of a fraction. Slash, extra parentheses, x shift 6 2 plus 4x plus 4, close the parentheses, click here and choose professional. Nothing happened. Wait, I think I know the problem. I go here and yeah, that left parenthesis I put in kind of the wrong spot. It looks right, but to Microsoft this position is part of the base of the x squared. If I left arrow, I get to a different position, and now I can turn this into a proper fraction. Now I click outside the math zone and I'm done. Even when you remember those extra parentheses, it's still really slow. Slower than handwriting it. And actually, people have made software that will let you type or handwrite a fraction in a side panel and then send it into Microsoft Word. But here's the fastest way. That's obviously the fastest way. It's also the easiest way. I'll show you. When I type x2, I get x squared. That works because I installed Fluentry, and the Fluentry AI modifies Microsoft Word so that if you have a document that already has math in it, it understands that x2 means you want x squared. So you don't need to press Alt equals to get into a math zone, and you don't need to press Shift 6 to create the exponent. Fluentry has only one weird key to learn. Did you see the typo I made? I'm going to press F7 to flip that mistake, and I can move on. Well, I forgot the parentheses again, but now it's not a mistake. It's faster to just flip to what I want, or instead of the flip key, I can just press the slash key repeatedly, as many times as I want until I get the numerator I want. Then I type the denominator, x2 plus 4x plus 4. And again, it's not quite what I intended because I didn't use parentheses, but I can just press F7 to flip it. And now I don't need to use the right arrow key to get out of the math zone. I just type and Fluentry does what it should. With Fluentry, you don't need extra keys except just the flip key, and you don't need to go back to add parentheses or fix typos. You just hit the flip key. To see some other shortcuts and get Fluentry, visit fluentry.com. And we would also like to put Fluentry on your graphing calculator and on your phone to make things easier. Help us out. Share this video.